Use the request service to make automatic trades under specified conditions. There are two kinds of requests, based on time and based on asset price. Time-based requests open a trade at exactly the specified time. When creating this request, a trader indicates the opening time, desired rate of return, trade length, investment amount, and direction. If the rate of return on the asset is equal to or greater than the specified value, the trade will be opened automatically at the specified time. A price-based request opens a trade at the desired price. The asset's rate of return when the specified price is hit is still an important condition. If the rate of return is equal to or higher than the one in the request, a trade will be opened. Please note that a request is transformed into a real trade even if the trader is not on the platform. A request can be cancelled with no loss of funds at any time until it is activated. All unfulfilled requests are automatically deleted at midnight. Plan, make trades, and earn money on the Olymp Trade platform.